This compact circular saw from Kreg packs serious power into a lightweight design, making it perfect for quick, accurate cuts. The 20-volt battery drive gives you cordless freedom without sacrificing performance. With smooth cutting action and ergonomic control, it's a game-changer for job site or workshop use. Whether you're trimming panels or tackling projects, this saw delivers precision every time. If you've ever struggled with countertop joints, the Trend Worktop jig makes life so much easier. Designed for flawless miters and cutouts, it ensures perfect alignment every time. Made from durable material, it handles heavy-duty routing like a pro. For kitchen fitters or serious woodworkers, this jig saves time and boosts accuracy big time. Forget flimsy rulers. This stainless steel bench rule from Woodpeckers is built for precision. Its engraved markings are crisp, easy to read, and will never fade. The slim profile sits flat on your workpiece for dead-on measurements. It's the kind of rule that instantly upgrades accuracy in any shop. Hanging doors just got effortless with the Milescraft HingeJigPLUS. This clever system clamps in place and guides your router or chisel for perfect hinge mortises. It works with all door sizes, saving tons of setup time. Whether you're a pro or DIYer, this jig makes hinges frustration-free. Cutting accurate angles is often tricky, but the Bora Quickcut makes it almost foolproof. Its built-in protractor and guide system keep your saw steady and precise. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to carry and quick to set up. For framing, trim, or general cuts, this tool is all about speed and accuracy. Managing long boards on the table, saw, or planer is no longer a hassle with Compass Universal roller guides. These adjustable helpers keep your material feeding straight and smooth. They prevent kickback and improve accuracy while saving your arms. Once you use them, you'll wonder how you worked without them. Strong, foldable, and super handy, the Ox Trade Pack Down Sawhorse is perfect for job sites or workshops. It locks open quickly and supports heavy loads with ease. When the job's done, it folds flat for easy storage or transport. This is the kind of rugged support you need for cutting, assembly, or clamping tasks. Dialing in perfect rabbets can be tricky, but Woodpeckers has nailed it with this Rabbet gauge set. Each gauge is machined with precision to ensure exact width settings. Just grab the size you need and set your bit, fast and accurate. It's one of those tools that makes joinery clean and consistent every single time. Broken dowels or stuck pins are a headache, unless you have the Milescraft PinDoctor. This smart tool drills out damaged dowels cleanly without hurting your project. It works with common sizes and makes repairs so much faster. For furniture fix-ups or woodworking restoration, it's a real lifesaver. Sanding curves and tricky shapes can be frustrating, but Bosch makes it easy with the EasyCurvSander. Its flexible sanding heads adapt to contours, giving smooth results every time. Compact, cordless, and comfortable to hold, it's great for furniture or creative projects. No more uneven finishes, just effortless control. Installing drawer fronts can be a real pain, but Kreg's system makes it quick and perfectly aligned. With its simple brackets and guides, you'll have consistent spacing and professional results. No more guesswork or crooked drawers, just smooth, accurate installation every time. It's a small tool that delivers big convenience. When you need to sculpt, smooth, or shape wood in a creative way, the Arbortech SpheroPlane shines. This unique attachment glides over surfaces, letting you remove material with control. From flattening slabs to creating curves, it's versatile and fun to use. A must-have for makers and wood artists. Finding the exact center of stock is critical, and Woodpeckers makes it foolproof with the MT center gauge. Just set it on your piece and mark. It's that simple. The precision machining ensures you're always dead on, perfect for joinery, drilling, or layout work without second-guessing. Need power in a compact package? The Prostormer Mini Circular Saw delivers. With its plunge cut capability, it handles trim, flooring, and small projects easily. Lightweight yet strong, it's perfect for tight spots. A great balance of control and cutting power in your hands. This combo machine from Scheppach saves space while giving pro-level results. It planes rough lumber smooth and brings boards to exact thickness. Sturdy and reliable, it handles a variety of woods with ease. For small workshops, it's like having two machines in one powerhouse. Angles can make or break a project, and Lytool's Protractor ensures they're spot on. Simply place it, read it, and transfer the angle directly to your saw. No math, no fuss, just accuracy. It's the fast, smart way to get cuts perfect every time. The Wolfcraft bevel gauge takes angle copying to the next level. Lock it in place and transfer exact measurements from your workpiece. Great for tricky corners, trim work, or custom builds. Durable and easy to adjust, it keeps projects accurate and frustration-free. Forget guessing. This digital measuring tool attaches to your saw fence and gives instant cut lengths. With a bright display, it shows exact measurements while you cut. It speeds up workflow and reduces mistakes dramatically. Once you use the M1, you'll never want to go back. From cutting to sanding to scraping, Bosch's multi-tool handles it all. Cordless convenience meets impressive runtime for non-stop versatility. Quick change accessories make it super adaptable on the job. It's like having a toolbox in one powerful handheld machine. Feeding stock safely through the bandsaw just got easier with the GuidePRO GP5. Its silicone feather applies consistent pressure, keeping cuts clean and safe. Adjustable and reliable, it works with all kinds of wood thicknesses. A must-have for precision, safety, and smoother results. Applying glue neatly is effortless with Rockler's mini glue roller. The silicone tray holds just the right amount, preventing mess and waste. Roll it across surfaces for smooth, even coverage every time. Small, handy, and a total shop game changer. Clamping large or awkward pieces becomes stress-free with the Power Jaw clamp. Its strong, adjustable jaws hold workpieces firmly while you glue or assemble. Easy one-handed operation saves time and frustration. Built tough, it's perfect for serious woodworking. Working with slabs or panels. Rockler's slab. Gripper clamps keep everything locked in place securely. Adjustable pressure protects wood while holding it steady. Quick to set up, they save both time and effort. These clamps are all about stability and precision. For repeatable cuts, the Micro Adjust Fence Flip Stop is a must-have. It allows precise, consistent positioning on your table saw or router table. Flip it out when done, no fuss or recalibration. Perfect for anyone who values speed and accuracy in every cut. This mobile workstation is like having a portable shop wherever you go. Foldable, strong, and versatile, it works as both a bench and a clamp station. Wheels make moving heavy projects easy. Ryobi turns job site or garage work into a seamless experience. Planing boards has never been this effortless with Einhel's cordless planer. Powerful brushless motor ensures smooth surfaces and perfect thickness. Lightweight design keeps it easy to handle. Perfect for leveling, trimming, or finishing wood with professional results. Installing hardware gets precise and painless with the Lytool jig. Adjustable guides ensure screws and hinges go exactly where they should. Quick setup saves you hours on every project. This jig is small but essential for clean, accurate assembly. Cutting precise mortises is a breeze with Woodpecker's mortise base. It securely holds your router, giving stable and accurate results. Machined for durability and alignment, it reduces mistakes drastically. For joinery perfection, this tool is a must in any shop. Measure and mark like a pro with GoHelper's removable framing square fence. Sturdy, easy to attach, and perfect for repeat cuts. Makes layout on large pieces simple and fast. It's the kind of tool that turns frustrating measurements into quick wins. Moving large panels is safer and easier with the Kreg panel carrier. Its ergonomic design reduces strain and gives secure grip on sheet goods. Carry, lift, and maneuver panels effortlessly with one tool. A small investment for huge convenience in your shop. The Skill Router Table transforms your handheld router into a stable, precise workstation. With adjustable fence and featherboards, it ensures smooth, repeatable cuts. Perfect for edge work, dados, and joinery tasks. It's a compact powerhouse for any serious woodworker. Slice through wood like a pro with the Lytool Japanese pull saw. Its sharp teeth cut on the pull stroke, giving cleaner and controlled cuts. Lightweight, precise, and easy on the wrists. Ideal for fine joinery, trim work, or quick shop tasks. Meet the X-Tool F1 Ultra, a laser engraver that opens endless creative possibilities. Engrave or cut wood, acrylic, and more with pinpoint precision. Fast, accurate, and easy to set up, it turns projects into professional quality creations, a tech upgrade for every workshop. These 3D setup blocks make spacing and alignment a breeze. Each block is precision machined for repeatable accuracy. Stack, measure, or mark with confidence every time. A small tool that makes complex setups surprisingly simple. Measuring tricky angles has never been easier than with this multi-angle ruler. Simply align, lock, and transfer angles effortlessly. Perfect for complex cuts, frames, or irregular shapes. A must-have for precise and fast layout work. Draw perfect circles or arcs with the deluxe trammel system from Woodpeckers. Adjustable, stable, and built for precision, it handles everything from small curves to large templates. Quick setup saves time and effort. Ideal for furniture makers and hobbyists alike. Planing, rabbeting, and chamfering all in one tool with the Axminster Rider 3-in-1 plane. High-quality steel blades make smooth, accurate cuts. Ergonomic and versatile, it replaces multiple planes in your kit. A true multitasker for hand tool enthusiasts. Clamp fast and easy with just one hand using the Paro Max clamp. Its strong jaws hold wood firmly while you glue or assemble. Quick release and adjustable for different thicknesses. This clamp makes one-handed operation effortless and efficient. Align cabinet doors perfectly every time with the Kreg door mounting jig. Adjustable and foolproof, it ensures consistent spacing and level installation. Saves setup time and frustration. A must-have for any cabinet or furniture project. The Wen compact circular saw combines precision with portability. Its plunge-cut design handles tight spots and detailed work easily. Lightweight yet powerful, it slices through panels with control. Ideal for woodworking or remodeling projects at home or on-site. Installing door frames is a breeze with Wolfcraft's Easy Jig. It holds everything perfectly aligned for quick, accurate assembly. Adjustable and sturdy, it saves hours of setup. A must-have for professional results without stress. Mounting concealed hinges has never been easier than with Blum's Hinge Jig. Precise, repeatable, and compatible with most doors. It guides your drill for perfect positioning every time. Fast, accurate, and a real time saver for cabinet makers. Clamping corners and panels is simple with the Milescraft Square Clamp Kit. Its strong, adjustable clamps hold pieces securely while glue dries. Quick setup ensures perfect right angles every time. Essential for clean, precise assemblies in any shop. Smooth finishes are easy with WorkPro's Palm Sander. Compact, powerful, and ergonomically designed for comfort. Sand curves, edges, and flat surfaces effortlessly. Ideal for prep work, finishing, or DIY projects with professional results. Trim excess edge banding like a pro with Rockler's 2-in-1 trimmer. Its dual function ensures clean, flush edges every time. Easy to use and precise, it saves both time and frustration. Perfect for cabinetry, shelves, and custom projects. Installing locks and strikes is simple with the Trend Strike and Keep jig. It ensures perfect alignment, fast setup, and repeatable accuracy. Strong and adjustable, it handles all standard doors. A must-have for flawless door hardware installation. Split and flatten pallets with ease using the Sengar pallet spreader. Its heavy-duty construction handles tough wood with minimal effort. Simple to operate and efficient, it saves time on prep work. Perfect for repurposing pallets or rough lumber safely. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.